Alexa, play Barnacles.
Barnacles.
We all know that the alphabet has 26 letters. Count 'em! You can mix and match to make many nouns and verbs. But if you say the wrong one to your mama...
Hey guys, tonight we're gonna draw ebisu from Yokai Watch 3.
We have a word that's preferred. We just say barnacles. It's a word that's okay to scream when you want to let off some steam. And say
This yokai is basically a legendary godlike entity.
go on our merry way. Barnacles is the way we say what they say.
Drawing him, you start by drawing the upper half, like fish-shaped.
The rodeo came to town, I went down, thought I'd try some bull riding. That bovine booked me off of his back with one mighty heave.
There we
The
go.
judges found after I hit the ground and I finished gliding. From under my cowgirl hat came some words that they couldn't believe. Now I say barnacles. It's a word that I heard down here. It's easier on the ear.
Here's his
Troubles disappear when you say
rope-shaped
barnacles
belt.
all the livelong day. Barnacles is the way we say what they say we can't say.
It's the best thing that you've ever heard.
It's a marvelous magical word.
When you stub your toe,
Barnacles! When your bomb won't blow.
barnacles!
When you lose your toe.
Barnacles! Barnacles!
Yeehaw!
Here's his fishing rod. It's really highly doubtful that a god would need a fishing rod.
It's the best thing that you've ever heard.
It's a marvelous magical word. I got hip to an investment tip, thought I'd play the stock market. My broker would not steer me wrong, he's a real sharp guy. What a trick, get rich quick! So I dug way down deep in me pocket. Barnacles, I exclaimed, as I kissed my assets goodbye. So just say barnacles when you're at the end of your rope.
There's his fishing rod.
You sit around and mope.
Or get your mouth washed out with soap.
Simply say barnacles and go on your merry way. Barnacles is the way we say what they say. Barnacles is the way when you find a bad day. Barnacles is the way we say what they say we can't say. Barnacles!
There we go. There he is. That's how you draw a ebisu. Only one less thing to add, and that's his scales. There we go. That's him.